This should be the all-around flagship with no weaknesses that the South Factory can offer this year, the Vivo X200s. First, let me give my evaluation of it. Before the Ultra version comes out, it is my number one because it is truly versatile. Let's first look at the appearance this time. I genuinely like it. The subtle purple color looks very premium. The back is made of 2.5D glass, combined with the square and straight middle frame. Whether in terms of aesthetics or feel, it has a very fruit-like vibe, so now fruit users can really switch without any regrets. As for the screen, this time it uses the Vivo X200s screen, which finally silences the spec enthusiasts when it comes to eye protection. The default color adjustment of this screen is generally warm, so don't say that the screen looks yellow. This is a unique characteristic of the Zeiss Master Color screen, and with the addition of 2160 Hz PWM dimming, it is overall more eye-friendly than cooler toned screens. What surprised me even more is that the R2 corners look significantly better this time. Additionally, it comes standard with ultrasonic fingerprint unlocking. Even if the screen is oily or your hands are wet, it can still unlock. Anyway, all the configurations that everyone cares about are maxed out. As for battery life, it finally features a massive 6200 mAh Blue Ocean battery with 90W fast charging, and it also finally includes the much anticipated 40W wireless charging. Just looking at these few pieces of information, compared to the previous generation, it can truly be called a leap in upgrades. The focus is on performance. It is equipped with the Dimensity overclocked version flagship chip, the Dimensity 9000 Plus, with actual benchmark scores reaching 2.89 million. Will the overclocked gaming performance be even better? Let's directly look at the gaming test. We'll take Game for Peace as an example to observe the frame rate performance in the storage area with 50 players and 25 lines. The new mode and high-quality game Super Resolution are enabled by default, so its gaming load is higher than the phones I tested before. Let's get straight to the conclusion. I'll say it again, you can always trust the Dimensity chips tuned by the Southern Factory. Even under higher quality loads, most of the frame rates will be controlled between 115 to 120 frames per second. Moreover, the tuning for the entire X200 series is the same, still achieving a very responsive experience, so there's no need to worry about performance, and its flat screen is also very easy to operate, truly no lag at all. After playing continuously for an hour, with an ambient temperature of around 20 degrees, the phone's temperature was about 39 degrees. However, I was worried that many people might still be skeptical, so I ran Genshin Impact again with all graphics settings maxed out and played in high-speed mode for an hour straight. The average frame rate measured was 59.9, which is basically a perfect score. The phone's temperature was around 40 degrees, which is enough to let it stand up and speak for itself, right? In conclusion, with its attractive appearance, powerful performance, excellent screen, and upgraded battery life, I believe this year's X200s is truly the all-around flagship from the Southern Factory. If you prefer a flat screen, you definitely need to wait for this phone.